Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Study for You. My name is Shikha Desai, and as you all have already read, today we are going to talk about few top mistakes that you all must avoid before answering TCS NQT. So without further ado, let's get started. As you all have already heard that the dates of registrations have been extended. Now the top mistake that all these students will be doing now is postponing their preparation. Lack of focus and lack of interest. What you have to avoid is this. Do not postpone your preparation even for a day. Start now if you all haven't already. As I've stated in my previous videos also, reasoning and verbal ability are very important topics and should not be skipped and must be practiced the most. But keeping this in mind, you should not ignore other sections like aptitude and coding. These two will help you all crack the exam. So kindly focus on even studying aptitude and coding as much as you all are doing reasoning and verbal ability. Remember, each sectional will have a sectional cutoff. So you guys need to maintain a balance in your preparation. Remember, balance is the key. Again, that I've said before, the deadline has been extended, but daily practice is important. Do not be in an impression that if you study for like 2 days rigorously, then all the other days you can ignore it. Because if you prepare rigorously for 2 days and ignore the preparation for the rest of the week, then whatever you have prepared for the first 2 days will go in vain. It will just be lost from your memory and your brain won't have daily practice towards coding, aptitude and reasoning. So it is crucial that daily practice is needed. One very important mistake that I have myself done in my preparation and then corrected, and which helped me a lot, is I used to dedicate one complete day for aptitude, one complete day for reasoning and one complete day for verbal ability and coding and so on. But what would happen in that case is I would not be consistent with one topic throughout. What I thought is better preparation strategies: structure your days into hours. For example, 1 or 2 hours for aptitude, 1 or 2 hours for reasoning, 1 or 2 hours for verbal ability, and 1 or 2 hours for coding in the same day. This is very crucial because in the exam, you will be answering all the three sections on the same day at the same time. So when you study all the three sections together on the same day, your brain is already trained to handle different sections together. Another very important mistake that most of the students will be doing now that the NQT is closed is getting rid of the basics or avoiding the basics. Now what will happen in this case is, if you are not familiar with the basics and you'll jump to the advanced questions, for example coding, if you'll jump to the advanced coding questions and don't go through the basics, two things will happen. One, you won't be able to solve the advanced coding questions. Two, if the basics are coming and it is very easy, then you won't be able to even tackle the basics. So first, it's a key to get started with the basics. Another very important thing that students tend to neglect is not giving enough mock tests. Now, if you're answering any exam, see to it that you all give a mock test beforehand, so you all know the exam pattern, you all know how the questions are asked, you all know what the time management should be in the exam. As we know, Online Study for You has come up with their new crash course on TCS NQT 2024, that is the new pattern, plus the live classes. Okay, so it will have a 6-month validity, 700 plus learning materials, and the most important part is that you all will be having mock tests in this. Okay, so test series are there, even the interview course will be provided in this. Previous year question papers, very important, is included in this. Programming videos, verbal ability, aptitude, reasoning, all of this in one place. Mind you, it is very important at this stage of preparation to have all of this content on one place. You can't waste any more time in going searching for content elsewhere. So it is better that you'll have everything at one place so you can just get started. So here is the course. It is for 999 rupees. If you are interested, kindly enroll and prepare from this because it helped me in my preparation. It will definitely help you. As the exams will come closer, revision of important concepts will become very crucial. Another important mistake that will cost you a lot is skipping the revision altogether or rushing through your revision. So keep enough days to revise through your concepts thoroughly so that on the day of the exam, your concept and your mind both are clear. Having said that, lastly, lack of confidence will cost you a lot of negative impact in your exam. So, always believe in yourself that you'll have prepared all the way, you'll have thoroughly given enough time for the three sections, you'll have solved enough mock tests, you'll have given enough hard work. Now leave everything on your preparation, believe in your hard work, and always be confident during the exam. If there is lack of confidence, you all will not be able to focus on the topics that you're already familiar with, and you all won't be even able to solve easy codes if they come. So basically, what you'll have to remember is be confident and believe in yourself. Avoid these top mistakes that students tend to do, and be thoroughly prepared. Spend enough time in solving all the three sections: coding, reasoning aptitude, verbal ability. Do not do the mistakes that I have stated. And I think all of you all are good to go for TCS NQT. Wishing all of you all the very best, and hope to see you crack TCS NQT, and we'll see you when the interview preparation comes up. So all the best, guys.